We have our small, low-profile curb, our shower tray here. All of the wall tile is installed. What we're gonna finalize for the rest of the day, what we're gonna do for the rest of the day is super simple. Install our tray, install our curb, waterproof all of the seams and penetrations. Tomorrow we come in, install our pan tile, install or finalize our niche, and then install the last row of tile in this shower. I am ripping down a 2x4 in order to obtain strips, thin strips to use for a template for our shower pan tile. So we're going to use these thin strips again to make a template for this shower pan in order to lay on top of our tile, draw our lines, make sure we have symmetry, and make our cuts. And this 5-amp power stack battery is a beast. It allows me to easily rip through the material without bogging down, without any issues whatsoever. I'm loving these batteries. And there you have it. All right, we have the perimeter all glued. Now it's time to focus on the drain. Okay, the drain is squared up. There you have it. We leave about a little less than 1/8 of an inch on the perimeter of the drain. Now let's make our marks. Here we have all of our pan tile laid out. We're going to drop our template down, try to make it as symmetrical as possible, trace it with the marker, and when you make your cuts, you cut the line off. Completely symmetrical, so this puts all the thinking out of it. We're going to make some cuts and install. All right guys, shower pan is installed. Everything looks clean and symmetrical. Time to install our last row, the curb. And then the next step is prep and grout. Alrighty, tile is done. We finalize this curb. Last row is in. Time to remove the clips, prep all of these grout joints, and let's grout this shower. It's going to be the same color grout for the walls as this shower pan. Let's have a grout party.